Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can trim videos or remove the parts that you don't need in a video by using CapCut. So here I've already added a clip to CapCut, and you can see that the beginning part of the clip is unstable and I want to remove that. So you can just easily trim it by using the split option, or you can also drag the white part in here to trim it. So just drag it like this to the right and it will be removed just like that. But if you want to remove the center part of the clip, you need to use the split option. So here's what you need to do. So go where to you want the split to happen. So for example, in here, click on a clip, click on split, and then go to where you want to the split to end. Click on split again, and now just click on the part that you want to remove, then click on delete, and just like that it will be splitted like this. Okay guys, so that's all from me. If you like this video, please click on the thumbs up icon, leave a comment, click on the thanks, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.